I'm Iain McKillip. I'm the manager of mine technical services here at Gator Operations. I found ourselves into the technology world and trying to see what we can do differently, mostly because we're sort of working on a new frontier. If we want to make the deepest base metal mine and we want to try and make it deeper, work in challenging conditions, we need to always be pushing on what kind of tools we can use to do that. So that's where this kind of technology comes into place. Yeah, so when it comes to using digital methods to do this kind of work, we're not just trying to do the jobs we used to do, but find out what more we can get out of doing the same job. The more we go through time, the more challenging things get, the more information we need. So what we found is using this kind of technology, we're able to make more informed decisions with the same amount of time we spend in the field, or the same approach to picking up information in the first place. I think there's no doubt that in the very near future, functions of things like surveying, geology, geotechnical, any situation where we're picking up information from underground is going to look completely different than the way it does now. And there's no reason in this day and age that we should be underground collecting information a couple steps ahead of the way the Egyptians were doing it. And so having a tool that can morph our job in any way where we can collect multiple types of information at once, that's how it's going to change. A big way that this type of tool changes the way we work is that we can spend a lot less time doing the physical act of collecting the information and taking expert people's time and directing it more on making good decisions, improving the way that we do our geotechnical work. What we're able to do is share information across processes. So one person could go down, collect a survey, collect geotechnical information, and collect photos, for example, are all things that used to be done by separate people at separate times. Having technology transform the way we do our work is a key enabler to getting people into this industry and sustaining something that we need as humanity to do.